Hey guys, I'm Merle with Merle Homes and Renovations, and this is our Burnaby project. Come on in. This is a custom detail by one of our designers. This is a coat hook detail. This is going to be one of the living rooms in the house. This was not like this at all when we first got here. Closed all this in, opened up the entire house. Here in the kitchen, as you can see, it's a beautiful piece of work now. Done all panel front details. So they meld in with the entire look of the kitchen. For the price point, you can't get a better looking fridge. And over here is our bar. Same style, oak panel detail, black beautiful subway tiles on the bottom. A living room, we've got a new product that we've tried on this one. It's a concrete panel. It's not a gas fireplace, it's an electric fireplace. Back wall is also something that we've reframed. Here we've added a deck and added a 3-panel slider. Go out, you can barbecue, you can enjoy some beverages. Here's the master ensuite. We added this here for the homeowners. We use mainly Renovation shower hardware. For a project like this, it could take anywhere from 6 months to a year. This one has actually gone quite smoothly. Homeowners have been amazing. A lot of the project and how good it is depends on how amazing the customers are. And this is definitely one of them.